Welcome to our comprehensive guide on editing videos like a pro using YouTube Editor. Let's dive into the features and capabilities that make this tool a fantastic choice for aspiring video creators. Before you start editing, it's crucial to set up your YouTube channel for success. In this segment, we'll cover the essential steps to get you ready. Organizing and uploading your content efficiently is vital. Let's explore how to import your videos seamlessly. Next, we'll discuss trimming and cutting techniques that help refine your footage for a more polished look. Music and sound effects can transform your video. We'll look at how to effectively utilize YouTube's audio library. Engaging your viewers with captions is essential. Let's explore tips for incorporating text and titles into your video. Filters and effects can enhance your video's visual appeal. Here are some ways to elevate your editing. Smooth transitions connect your clips seamlessly. Let's dive into implementing these techniques. Previewing and finalizing your edits are key steps. We'll ensure quality before you hit publish. Lastly, we'll go through the best practices for exporting your edited video for optimal performance on YouTube.